tap on Dashboard. Now, go to the fund you want to make an additional investment in. There are three dots beside the fund's name. Tap on it. Then, tap on Invest More. Tap on one time and then enter the amount you want to invest. Then, tap on Invest one time. After that, tap Make Payment. You will then be taken to your bank's login page. Complete the payment using net banking. You will get this confirmation screen upon successful payment. Go back from here, tap on Dashboard, and refresh the screen. You will be able to see the details of your transaction on the top.